In medicine, for many years, we have been seeking for a polypill, a kind of a single pill or tablet that would cure everything, or at least prevent diseases, and like, let's say, cardiovascular diseases, or better glucose control for diabetics, or take care of inflammation or pain, improve memory, or increase daily vitality, and of course the working capacity. That's what we have been seeking, one single pill. But I don't know if you would be surprised that when I tell you that we already have that, and it's called sleep. So in my speech, when I talk about sleep, I tell what sleep is, the importance of the sleep, and what happens during the sleep. Sleep is very active time of our life, and we don't have any clue what happens during the sleep. And of course it is also important because many times in my work the problem is that the people who have problems in their sleep, they don't know it themselves. The kind of the daily tiredness has become their normal thing. They don't know anything of better. So it's very important to kind of evaluate yourself, and I provide in my speech tools for the listeners to kind of evaluate, is it normal, my behavior, or is there something wrong? Is it normal for me to fall asleep before my head hits the pillow, or does it tell that I'm too tired and physically just exhausted? And those are very important things that for you to in the start to know where you are. And of course there are some risk groups also for the sleep, and example, one risk group is evening person, and then it's very good for you to know that if you are an evening person, then it explains certain things for you. And at the end, of course, if everybody is nice, I'm gonna reveal the secret of good sleep.